So I'm going to show you I'm going to be cutting down a factory windshield. This is out of a Ford Flux. It has a sound screen. So I just want to see which is a heavier windshield for sound. Here's the tools I'm going to be using. Just a lighter to use a little bit of heat with the alcohol. I got this one from Walgreens, using a Sharpie to draw a line, and then my glass cutter. It's got an oil well in it, which actually holds a little bit of oil in there. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and mark the line real quick. Get you up a little bit closer there. Alright. I'm going to use my Sharpie so I have a reference line. And if you have a pattern, you'd want to put your pattern down. And then typically I just use a Sharpie that wipes right off. Then what I've learned on the bevel, put the bevel up, cut the top side first. And when you're cutting through, don't stop and restart, always follow through. If you stop, don't pick up, but try to always keep pressure on it. Alright, it did snap. It got off track just a little, but we're good to go. It's a scrap piece I'm still learning to cut, but I just want to know if I can cut laminate with the factory Ford sound screen. Gonna make a cut across the bottom. Follow the line I made with a Sharpie. I'm going to snap that the other way. Alright, it's flexing right in the cut. Go ahead and put down some alcohol, put some heat on that. I'm going to light that. Use your blade to cut the laminate. Little off track there where it didn't break straight. There you go. I'm assuming it's just a thicker laminate in between the two layers. So I'll make a couple more cuts, but you can cut the factory glass with the sound screen in it without any problem, it seems like. Just takes a little more practice to get cleaner cuts. So again, that was out of a Ford Flux. Thanks for watching.